तुका आम हियरिंगा येयलो हय आनी हे हियरिंग इज बेस्ड ऑन सम नोटिफिकेशन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एनवायरमेंट फॉरेस्ट एंड क्लायमेट चेंज तेंचे नोटिफिकेशन आहा हे नोटिफिकेशना प्रमाणे तितून हियरिंग प्रोसिजर्स आहा प्रोसिजर फॉर कंडक्टिंग पब्लीक हियरिंग सो प्रोसिजर फॉर कंडक्टिंग पब्लीक हियरिंगान थिंकीत बरयलां द पब्लीक हियरिंग शाल बी अरेंज इन द सिस्टमॅटीक टाइम बाउंड एंड ट्रांसपरंट मॅनर एन्श्योरिंग वायडस्ट पॉसिबल पब्लीक पार्टिसिपेशन widest possible public participation public no widest public participation is required for what is going on inside presentation कमेस जालें कोंकणी presentation काबार जाला इंग्लिश presentation कमेस केलें तें आतां ओ public न्हू so हे public participation गरज ना so isn't this public hearing conducted by the state government under all protocols? Isn't it not complying to the annexure appendix 4 of the notification? Yes. कित्याक सगलो पब्लीक भायर आहा आनी हियरिंग कमेस जाला भितर प्रेजेंटेशन कमेस जाला इट इज सेइंग वायडस्ट पॉसिबल पब्लीक पार्टिसिपेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड थिंग आसतलो 150 लोक भितर हिंग आहा 450-500 लोक ऑलमोस्ट आतां लायनी आसतलो भायर सो वी आर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टार्टिंग दिस प्रेजेंटेशन विदाउट इन कम्प्लायन्स विथ द अपेंडिक्स 4 आणि म्हाका दिसता these are the things this document there is lot of violation more if you go inside notice to the public hearing there is a protocol कोर्टान ऑर्डर दिली की पब्लिक हियरिंग पूण कोर्टान सांगलो ना शॉर्टकट मार म्हूण कोर्टान सांगलो ना शॉर्टकट मार म्हूण कोर्टान सांगलो ना वायलेट दिस तू पब्लिक हियरिंग कोर इन वायलेशन ऑफ द नोटिफिकेशन जात ते भाशेन पब्लिक हियरिंग कोर इन वायलेशन विथ द नोटिफिकेशन म्हूण कोर्टान सांगलो ना सो आज हें चोय इफ वी ट्राय टू सी that this entire proceedings person at the venue shall be granted the opportunity to seek information or clarification on the project for the applicant yahi borela ye sogle bahir hai how will they get information now so how can you say that this entire now what they have started presentation मुडे ते पयली गरजे मुडे न्हू तेका गरजे म्हूण कमेस केला सो तेम जोरी तोरी चिंतलोलें की तूं लोक जातो म्हूण विच दे ऑलरेडी न्यू ह्या सगल्या लोकांक मल्टिपल एंट्रीज करूंक जाताल्यो एक धेरवाट केला चोय दुर्गा भितर सदां ते भाशेन आनी इतली लोकांक भायर दवरला आनी ह्या लोकांक मत सगल्या कोवीड जालें जाल्यार हाल कोण दितलो प्रमोद सावंत हारी कोतलो ह्या कलेक्टर हारी कोतलो ह्या सगल्या लोकांक कोवीड जालें जाल्यार हू इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल where there is social distancing who knows where is the temperature check of all these people kon responsibility geta ya lokachi and why is this in violation with the appendix I think this is what has to be put out they are doing it inside they have to understand this we are going to raise a point of order bitorallo to baile loinga so that now even to go inside maybe I have to stay for a queue number again so this is the total failure people are suffering here हे प्रेजेंटेशन काबार जातले वो लोक भितर पावपाना आनी हो लोक आतां 11:30 जापयले इथिंगसान देखून लायन म्हाका एका पयलीं भितर पावपाना मल्टिपल एंट्रीज हॅज टू बी डन तूं जाणा 700 लोक येता जाल्यार तुवें चिंतपा जाय एक वरा भितर 100 लोक एक लायनी भितर जातलो सो तुवें 7, 8, 9 पॉयंट धरून जाय भितर सरपाचें न्हू एश कोन्न एक पॉयंट दीस इज कॉल्ड प्लॅनिंग हे भुरग्यांक इस्कॉल शिकयताय but this is how they are doing failure I think today this is a total nonsense what they are doing फकत legally आमगे हातपाय बांधलोय how to bring a stay order on this illegal hearing is a question mark we have set up a legal cell our legal cell is working on this we request all the legal advocates of Goa today to come out and put a thought process is this hearing in compliance with the appendix 4 of the notification if not can we do something legally this is an appeal to all Goa advocates we are also legally working but this is not these people have not heard the Konkani presentation inside so are they part of the hearing or no have they participated at English चलता जे कोणा English आयकपा जाल्यार तेंकाय ते आयको मेळना so म्हाका सदा also I want to put on record all this what we have said here which is non-compliance of the appendix we are going to put it inside in a point of order and we would stress that it has to be registered in the minutes because this has to come in the minutes that this entire process is a failure and this is evidence that it is a failure there is no COVID protocol there is no systematic approach the government has misused its powers today in Goa ek gandol tinga आणि एक सगल्या हिंगा थिंग दोले आणि कोणाकूय दुयेंत जालें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता this is going to be a big situation here in the next few days to come
Nowhere it looks like COVID. It looks like Mela. Okay.